Galactic to Fort Wayne, Indiana. Me and my mom were cleaning this, and then our worker Asian was also cleaning this, and then yeah, we're getting this ready to pull it to Indiana. So let's head back to work. Our neighbors are laying out fireworks for the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. These people own the El Sombrero. It's a good Mexican restaurant. I should recommend going there. And I want to say, I'm excited to see some fireworks. Comment down below if you guys are excited to see some fireworks as well. Moment of truth. Look at it. Ooh. These are smoky fireworks. Earlier there were more exciting fireworks, but we didn't get video for that one, so probably gonna put those up again, hopefully. Just saying, there's a lot of fireworks on the 4th of July. And look. Oh, look at this. Oh, cool. That was actually very cool. It just went in the air. I wonder where they get these fireworks from. Hey guys, I have this thing. This thing, you just light it, and it goes down to about here. It looks like a firework. It looks nice. The neighbors let me try one earlier, and then they let me keep the rest. So, they're nice people. So, now let's start lighting so you can see what happens. Hey guys, this is what appears to happen when you light it. It immediately goes on fire, and it makes like a mini fireworks.
You gotta do it like this, honey. Sideways. There you go.
It's cool. It's like a mini firework. I like these. These are fun. We have a bunch more. Got 2 of these guys. Got some fireworks. This one's We're not using all of these tonight. We're gonna save some for tomorrow.
Here, sweetheart. You wanna hold it?
I'll hold it after we got this.
Okay, drop it. Just drop it.
Alright. I like these mini fireworks. Let's just do 3 of these. This should be our last one. And after this one's done, it's gonna end it for July 3rd. Fireworks. Okay, we got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anyway, that will end it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Bye, guys.